Hello, welcome to Forum's tutorial on polling. My name is Maddie and I will be guiding you along in a step-by-step process on how the polling feature functions and in turn improves the presentation experience as a whole. A poll in Forum can be used to ask your audience a yes or no question or a multiple choice question. The poll will populate on the audience's screen after the presenter saves it to the presentation. An audience poll can be assigned to appear on any slide the presenter wants as well. You can create a poll in Forum with these simple steps. From the Forum home screen, select Presentations. Select the presentation you'd like to add a poll to. Once you are in your desired presentation, you will see a taskbar at the top right of your screen. Select Census from the top menu. This button will take you to a screen where you can select which audience engagement tool you'd like to use. To utilize polls, select Polls. If you have an active poll in this presentation, it will be displayed on screen. If you need to start a new poll, you will see a button with a plus sign on it. Select this button at the top right of your screen. You will now select your poll type. Select yes or no or multiple choice. For yes or no, you will type your question and the options yes or no will populate automatically for you as choice A or B. Then select Save. For multiple choice, the process will be extremely similar. Type your question in the first blank and continue. Once you have finished your question and choices, select Save. If you would like to start and stop a poll on a specific slide, you will select Start On, then select your slide, and End On, then select your slide, on either the yes or no or multiple choice screen when creating your poll. When you are happy with your choices, select Save. After your audience has answered the poll, the results are displayed in real time. For more videos like this, please visit our Help Center at www.holdaforum.com under the Support tab. You may also reach the Forum Customer Interaction Department directly by phone, email, or chat during regular business hours. Thank you.